100 people dead. Among those fatalities, 2 are passengers on that cruise ship in Japan. You can see it there live as we learn more about the conditions on board and the crew's inability to successfully quarantine, even as more passengers are being allowed to return home. Meanwhile, in South Korea, the number of cases there, they've spiked as the first virus-related death there, as the mayor of a city of millions warning residents to simply stay home. And some good news this evening for 63 Americans who were under quarantine at Marine Corps Air Station Miramar in San Diego. They were just bussed off of the base and are now free to go, while 2 people from their flight are being treated for confirmed cases. But we start with our senior foreign correspondent Ian Pannell in Japan with more.
Tonight, this isolation unit in Spokane, Washington, used for the first time to care for 4 patients with COVID-19. The former passengers from the Diamond Princess taken by ambulance today from Travis Air Force Base.
We have a specialized team that trains and drills regularly to safely care for patients in situations just as these.
It comes as we learn of the first 2 deaths from the cruise ship, a Japanese couple in their 80s who were hospitalized days ago. Passengers who tested negative for the virus now trickling off the ship. But now a warning from the Japanese doctor who slammed his government's handling of the quarantine.
These people who were disembarked should be monitored for next 14 days. Possibly avoiding the contact with other people.
But those passengers can't return to the U.S. for 2 weeks. When he left the ship, Carl Goldman thought he was healthy, but was hit with a high fever on the flight home.
We can go for days feeling fine. It hits very, very, very fast.
He's now being treated for the virus in this biocontainment unit in Omaha.
We could have been exposing so many people to the virus not knowing we had it.
Over 7 weeks, COVID-19 has spread to 29 countries and territories, killing more than 2,000 and infecting more than 75,000, mostly in China. Tonight, 2.5 million residents in one Korean city ordered to stay indoors after a woman who authorities called a super spreader infected dozens in her own church.